Hi everybody, it's 11:59 and 36 seconds. This is mini number 2 for the two Swamp Thing books. Whoever comes in first place, as explained in the heading of mini number 2, whoever comes in first place is going to get assigned the first 4 available spots. Those spots are 13, 17, 19, and 20 in the main. Whoever comes in second place is going to get the next 2 available spots in the main. Those spots are numbers 21 and 24. And whoever comes in third place in this mini is going to get assigned the final available spot, which is spot number 25. Okay, so I'm going to go back up and down over here on the left hand side to show you the 28 filled spots. Alright, let's roll our 3 dice. As soon as this is run, I'm going to fill in the main and get that run. Number is 12, and away we go. Good luck, everybody. Alright, I did click the button. And I don't know why my screen is completely frozen. Alright, I'm going to have to... There we go. Alright, that was 1. That's 2. This looked like it's going to take a little bit longer than we initially had expected. I have no idea why it's going this slow. That's 2. Alright. I apologize. I don't know why it's going this slow, but it looks like it's going to take a little while to go through all the randoms here. Of course, when it's moving slow, you hope the number would be 4. That was 3. This is 4. Good God in heaven. Alright guys, I don't know what's going on. I'm going to have to shut this one down and reboot my computer. I'm going to upload this to show the issue.